Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Mobikoye. I'm a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I'm also a content creator. So welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this flawless base everyday makeup routine. So once you achieve this look, please keep on watching. So first of all, I already done my skin prep, so I want to go ahead now to put my foundation. So my foundation for today, I'm using ZK Cosmetics. I'm using two shades. So this is 0115, and this is 012. So I'm mixing these two shades. So this is the matte foundation skin proof liter from ZK Cosmetics. These are Nigerian brands and they're doing so well. So let's go ahead to apply this on my skin. I'm using this beauty sponge from White Glam, the Nigerian brand, and it is very soft. Please kindly ignore the background noise that you're hearing. So I'm going to go ahead to apply this first on my beauty sponge, something like this. It will give it gives you a flawless blending. So you can see how my skin is looking flawless. There is no harsh lines. There is nothing. This is how your foundation is supposed to blend into your skin, and it's giving a perfect match. Can you see it blends well with my neck and my skin color? So you have to look for a foundation that's closer to your skin color. If it's for you to mix foundation so you can get a perfect shade, blend very well, and your hand is pinning you. That's another trick. I'm going ahead to use this Gulliver and ZK Cosmetics cream palette. This is how it looks. So I'm going to use the contour shade, any of these two here, right here. So I'm using this apply for my hairline, shade for my nose. You're not meant to use something darker on your nose area. What you use for your contour, to contour your cheekbones and all these areas of your face, don't use it on your nose. Use something a little bit like darker than your skin tone. So that is what I'm using now. So I'm just going to apply it here and create a Y shape. So to proceed, so I'm going to blend my contour now. I'll start here first. So the blush I'll be using is from ZK Cosmetics also. Is ZK Angenica Liquid Blush. This is how it looks in Kanye. Back of your hand before you apply it on your skin. I'm going to apply on top of my contour. Can you see? I just want it very soft. I don't want it to be too much because we're going for more of a natural look. So very soft and very demure. Very cutesy. My assistant is laughing here. So can you see how flawless is looking? It's not too much. Like I look good the way I can go out like this and nobody will know. So we have to make it more natural as possible. Don't forget to put it in your nose. Just give it that, but it's not compulsory though. You don't want. So just make sure you blend, and when you are blending, don't be too hard on your skin. Be soft. Be so soft. I'm using this concealer from ZK Cosmetics. It's called the Skin Fit Concealer in London. I hope you guys can see. You also take your time. More, not too much. My chin everywhere. Moment. So I'm going to go ahead now to use this powder palette. I'll use this powder palette first before I go in the settings powder. So I'm going to set on my face. This one from Blood Cosmetics in Nutmeg. Is a Nigerian brand too. must be like cover all your brush for your application. Don't worry about the contour, the blush. It's going to come back. Contour. I'm using that powder palette I used earlier to contour my nose, my cheekbone, and all of that. So for blush, it's also Zekiel Cosmetics. You guys won't blame me. I'm I'm a Zekiel lover, and I've worked with them before, so that's why I have most of their products. So I'm using the Zekiel Make Me Blush palette, and I'm beginning to use this orange. I don't want to use any other shade, but it's orange anyway. So I'm going to use my contour brush that I used earlier to apply on my, to pack a lot. Then adjust of the excess and apply on top of the blush. The same way you apply the liquid is the same way you apply what the powder blush. To set this, I'm using this one for Roba Beauty, the Nigerian brand also, and I'm going to use it to set my face. Setting spray. This sets it like make it look like skin. So you have to set all the powders that you apply on your face. It's not dry. I'm using this P. Louise base in 0.5 today. I'm going to use what I used on my nose to contour. To use this palette, I'm going ahead to use this orange shade. This one here. Just on top of it. Comfort. Using the same brush. So I'm using this one from Zekiel Cosmetics. This is the Nude Girls palette, and I'm going to use this shade, this brown shade here, with the same brush. I'm using this one. I'm just going to apply it at the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm going to use my primer brush. I'm just going to apply, since all the primer don't disappear. So I'm going to add. So guys, I'm done with the final look. So this is how I look at the moment. So if you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment down below. And I'm sure you guys really enjoyed this tutorial because I look so gorgeous, I look so good. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.